is happening? my sound is going crazy. Oh my goodness. Hello and welcome to the stream, I think. I'm so red right now, I'm flustered. Hey Big, what's up dude? I wear boots, welcome to the stream, hello. Sorry about the little audio issue right there. That was on me. I really need to hone in posting these links. Welcome to the stream. Sorry about the audio. Hello? Where are you, Jace? I'm struggling right now. That's where I am. Here we go. Boom. Let's go. Welcome to the stream. Hey. So it is currently 6 p.m. Do you know where your streamer is? Because I know where mine is. I'm right here. Okay, we're rounding out day 4 of not having a job. So I'm making my own job. You know what I mean? We're deep. This is gonna be another 3 hours of streaming. We got this. We did 3 hours this morning, 3 hours in the afternoon, and we're doing 3 hours in the eve. Thank you guys for stopping by. I appreciate it. We're going to be working on website stuff today, okay? I'm going to try to get more comfortable being on the cameras, coding a website type of situation together. It's a big leap for me, so please be patient as I learn. The good news is, where we left off this morning was, we've already worked on this morning. We started a schedule page. Okay, so we made a schedule page and I pushed it. I published it. So jaseowns.com schedule. Now, I made a little bit enhancement off the stream, aka during my focus hour. And it basically tells me the schedule, okay? I also have a new command. Hopefully it works. Let's see. So the J spot now says 6 to 9, 11 to 2, 6 to 9. That's 9 hours. And then it should have a link to this beautiful web page. Anyway, this is now dynamic, so it basically pulls in the day. So today's Thursday, it's going to show you what Thursday is. So the moment you hit the schedule, it should show you what's happening. And then if not, you're not able to make it today, here's the full schedule. So we got Sunday, 6 to 9 is game of the month. That's going to be I can't say the words. Mount and Blade to Bannerlord, okay? Then we got Monday, Tuesday, Monday is gonna be Ultima Online, then the focus session, and then the Ultima Online Tuesday, workdays, productivity, workday, Wednesday, and then look, it highlights Thursday as well. We talked about this kind of this morning. So workday, productivity, and now here we are in another workday. So what is this workday? Right now, this is where we are right now. We are going to, I mentioned that I wanted to add an ability to know that I'm live here on my website. And then I'm going to use that same logic over there on the UO RazorScript website. And then assuming I get all that working, then we're also going to look at potentially pulling in streamer data, okay? Because ideally I would like on my UO website to show streamers who have streamed. The color of the background is different. Everything else looks good. Yeah, so it's down here. It's based on your system. So if you have like light mode as your system settings, it will show up like this. But you can change that down at the bottom. Maybe I should move that up to the top, but in the bottom, oops, it's right under my profile here. There's a light mode right there. See light? Change it to dark. Boop, boop. I prefer the dark mode. But thank you for checking it out. And then any of these links should just take you to YouTube, youtube.com/Jaseowns/live. Okay, so I was hoping to at least look into see how we can go about finding a live, like before I went live. But what a better way to learn AI together and just see if we can ask AI. Wouldn't that be silly? So we're gonna do that together. I'm gonna create a new prompt. And we're doing it live together. So I'm gonna say, I would like to add, and I'm using ChatGPT, but technically I could use Copilot, I guess. I don't know. I've never done this. We're gonna find out together. What can I help you? I would like to add a live notification button when my stream goes live on Twitch or YouTube. Whatever is easier to tap into. I would then display, live right now button if we are live. If not, the button would be hidden. My website is written in remix.run, Node.js, React.js. Boom. Let's just see what it says. Normally what my workflow would be is I would Google the internet. I would say, hey, Google, I would like to get the, like to get the live status, So, okay, let's see here. You can achieve this by either Twitch API or YouTube API. Here's a quick overview of how to implement it, with Twitch being the more straightforward option. Setting up the Twitch API, create a developer account, register the client and the secret. Okay. Yes. Use the Twitch's API streams endpoint to check if your channel is live. Here's how you could set it up in a Remix backend route, however you pronounce that word in your particular language or locale. Creating backend. Okay, yeah. In your Remix project, create an API route to check if the stream is live. Here's an example. Blah blah blah. Okay, so we're importing JSON. Of course. Okay, and then we're gonna read out of the process for the ID and the secret. This is my username, so this will be Jaseowns. I wonder, does this code actually work? You know what I mean? Is this all it is? Check to see if it's live. If it's not, okay. Use the API. Additionally, render live now button. The setup should show the button when you're live and keep it hidden. Otherwise, let me know if you would like more guidance or specific step. Okay. My first inkling is, so this is going to run on the request. You know what I mean? Wherever I implement this button, so let's say we have a live button, right? And then let's just do this. I'm just going to copy this code. Let's not even think about it. Let's just go do it. So I'm going to go over here to my jaseowns.com website, and we're going to make a new component called new file, and this is going to be live. These are all lowercase. I'm used to some of the systems having an uppercase, so I'm gonna name it lowercase, which just seems weird to me. Live button. .tsx. Paste. Okay. Pretty straightforward there. Live button. Data. It doesn't have a thing right now, so we need to give it a type eventually, because we're using TypeScript. Then we also want to take this little loader function here. This is going to be a routes API is live. Interesting. Okay. All right, we'll do that. We'll listen to you, AI overlords. Oops, that's the focus clock. We're not doing that right now. Also, can you guys see okay? Is this like too big, too small? Should I zoom in? I don't know the right text here. Hey, it's your screen. Yeah, thanks, Demlar. I told you, the focus sessions are going to be hidden. These ones won't be. But I do need to build some confidence in myself to do this, so try not to hurt my feelings too bad. So API, I don't think there's an API route. Like, I don't think this current structure has like an API route, but we could see it. We could try to make an API route. I don't know. Seems interesting. Let's just try. Let's see what happens. API. Because it makes sense if you have just API routes inside your API, but in like an API folder. Oops. Is live. ESX. I mean, what's the big deal? ChatGPT generated most of the source code? Yeah. Well, that's what I'm saying. Like today, I'm going to just straight up use ChatGPT. I'm just going to embrace the suck and just go for it. And we'll see how it goes and what happens, you know? Normally, I like needle in a haystack type of dude. I'm a scour the internet, Stack Overflow, random blog from some dude in 2016, you know? Like that's my preferred method, but we just straight up said, all right, hey, hey, ChatGPT, teach me your ways. So yeah, Routes API is live, right? And then this is live right now. What? It's live. What? Okay. So we're gonna need a Twitch client ID and a Twitch secret, which I have one. I will try to hide my screen real quick and find that. Because I already have it for my bots that are running right now. I should be able to reuse that. I'm just curious of what this stuff is. Fetch an access token. Getting client credentials, right? And then check if the stream is live. So we're passing it the token that we got from being who? Our client ID and our client secret. Okay, so we're just getting an access token. Now, technically, we don't need to run this on every request. This is where this is weird, right? Like, we're gonna rerun this whole thing every time, and we don't need to. We just need to run it, A, when someone hits the website, and then B, we need to cache it for a little bit. We'll work on caching in a moment. Let's get it to at least work. That sounds great, Jace. Thanks, Jace. You know, and then the fact that I'm using TypeScript, I wonder if I could just ask ChatGPT to put it in TypeScript. I use TypeScript. Can you add the types? Please, thank you. And pat yourself on the back. Yeah. Array of unknown. Interesting. Is that valid? Array of unknown? Is it just making shit up, or do I just not know what it is? Anyway, first curse of the stream. First curse of the stream. Welcome. It is unknown. Thanks for clearing that up. Okay. Copy. And then we're gonna go back. I need to close some of these windows down. I have way too many open. Unknown is not assignable. Which auth response? Just copy this over to ChatGPT. The error is happening because the TypeScript cannot automatically infer the shape of the JSON response. You explicitly type the JSON call to ensure the TypeScript knows the match. Here's an adjustment. Okay, so yeah, you left it unknown there. And what did you do down here, bro? Ah, you cast it. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting approach. As. Cool. And then this was unknown. Array unknown. Let's see if that's the word. Unknown. Huh. Sweet. Okay, I'm gonna hide my screen real quick just to make sure that my secrets aren't being shown. You know, I got some secrets. I'm pretty sure I already have the Twitch secrets in here, but I want to just make sure. Uno momento, por favor. Got the environmental variable. Let's see here. I don't have my my Twitch things in here yet. Let me see where we'll I'll share my screen. Oh, you know, let me turn that off. Hold on. I'm totally gonna dox myself. Like, this is gonna be terrible. Okay. Let me Not Calbrain, welcome to the stream. Hello. I'm going to I'll share my screen again, but we're gonna need to get the tokens. Which, why would I share my screen if I'm gonna go get tokens? Because I'm gonna do it in the off screen over here. Shh. Did it tell me where to get the tokens from? I mean, did it? Create a Twitch developer account, register your application. Okay, I do have that already. So, and that's on a different computer though. That's on this other guy, I guess. Yep. Have you tried Cursor? It's Visual Studio Code with built-in AI. It's nice because it can get context from your existing code and chat directly with it. I've never tried it. I have never tried that. Maybe I should. I did just recently purchase Copilot just because I figured, hey, I'll give it a shot as well. So I have ChatGPT and I technically have Copilot. But I think I saw a YouTube video about Cursor. Like, there was somebody making a game on it. They like just asked it to create the game. Sorry, I'm just trying to get the secrets. Nothing but secrets around here. Let's see. Where's my screen? Golly. I look crazy. Ratty had asked me if I've been like not wanting to stream yet, and I have not wanted to stream. But I definitely can tell you I'm a little bit tired by the time these nighttime streams come around. So I'm definitely feeling it by now. The break after 2 with the family, doing dinner, doing all that crap, all that crap is a little bit draining, you know? Not a little bit draining. But it's good. This should be good. I'm just over here in this other screen trying to get the secrets. We're trying to do some secrets. Anyway, Dig Diggler, do you use cursor? Is that what you've been using? Tyson, good evening, Jace. Looks like things are going steady. Yeah, they're going good. We out here. Dominate. We're kicking buns and taking names. And we're all out of names. Or what? What's it saying? Sorry, I'm just stunned over here because I'm trying to think of the URL that I want to go to at the same time as like me trying to find just the URL already. So it's like want to do the Twitch bot. I already have a Twitch bot account, you know, so I want to do Twitch. That's relating messages, sends Twitch chat, Twitch bot API. There we go. The client, I'm using a TMI import, which passes the identity, which is a username and password. So it's not actually using the client, so that's different. My current bot is different. I need to create an app. We'll just follow this instruction. You know, tell me, robot overlord, what to do, please. Twitch developer account. Okay, cool. Let's do that. I'm gonna do that in this window over here. I'm gonna just Google Twitch developer account. And I'm pretty sure I already have one. I mean, I should be labeled as one. So I'm gonna log in there. It's going to verify my email, allow your console. Okay, I'm already in here. My dashboard is, I have 0 extensions and 0 applications created. Okay, so register your application. Name. Maybe I need to log in with my JSpot, because maybe my main account doesn't have one. Hold on. Like maybe I sign up, because I've definitely done this before. My main Twitch account doesn't have one though. I'm gonna try to log in as my bot account. Let's see if that has an app or not. That one doesn't have an app either. What the hell? How the hell did I? How the hell did I do it? So it's times like these. This is one of those things that I was worried about being a coder, like, you know, actually doing coding like live, is when you get stuck on a problem. When I'm by myself, I can just cry and nobody can judge me. But when you're in front of a bunch of people, don't cry. You've been user cursor instead of VS Code for about a month. Okay, cool. So you highly recommend Dig Diggler? I think you have to do like ngrok for auth or something. Man, I haven't used ngrok in forever. Create a Twitch developer account and register an application. Can you explain how to do the step? Here's a step-by-step guide on creating a Twitch developer account. Go to the Twitch developer console, done. Access the developer console, done. Select applications, done. Register a new application. Click to register a new application. Fill out the form to create your application. Here, there are many fields you need to complete. Name, give your application a name. This could be anything, but it's best to include something recognizable. OAuth redirect URLs. You don't need to redirect for authentication in this product. You can enter any valid URL here, like localhost, since it's required. If you add authentication later, you'll need to update this. Okay. Select website integration or application integration depending on your use case. After filling out the form, click create. Get your client secrets, put them in the thing. Okay, cool. All right, let's give this a shot. I'm over here in this other window now, okay? I'm gonna give it a name of, we're gonna say Jaseowns Live Chat. That's the application name. The redirect URL, we're just gonna say http://localhost, because right now we're not authorizing anything like ChatGPT is saying. Select a category. I can either do game integration, website integration, application integration. I'm gonna do application integration. No, website. Client type. Confidential clients are capable of maintaining confidentiality of their client credentials, typically run on a server, web applications. If you're unsure what to select, this is the most likely one you need to do. Public. Public clients cannot maintain Anyway. We're just going to say it's a public client because we are going to put it on our web page. This is not going to be confidential. It's going to be public. Create. Okay. The Jaseowns live check. You've created it. Now we're going to go to manage. Got my client ID. They put that in. It's over here. Wonder if I should open that file in a different editor. That way I don't accidentally open it. That'd probably be smart. As a matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna open the environmental variables in a different file, like in a notepad. Right? That makes sense. How do people do this stuff? How does someone live stream code? I don't know. But basically, I want to go into my environmental variables, but I don't want to like show you my environmental variables. Hey, welcome, my friend. Hello, John. No shoes. Have you installed the Twitch.js? Yeah. Wait, you don't want to oogle it? Yeah. We don't want us to oogle your environmentals. Well, not on this website. You know what I'm saying? Like maybe later on, if this streaming thing doesn't work out for me, I might invite you to oogle my environmentals. But not yet. Yeah, over here, I'm gonna open up the environmental variable. We'll see how that goes. That's interesting. I was curious of how I was going to do this, and now that I'm in the situation I'm in, I'm going to go ahead and open a notepad over here on the other monitor that you can't see, the environmental variable that's in this component that we're looking at right now. What just happened? Who's giggling? Frequentist, thank you for the prime, man. Appreciate it. You're helping my dreams. Be memes. Wait, don't let my dreams be memes. What's it saying? Okay. Focus, Jace. You got this. Okay, we're gonna go. It's C sandbox and then Jaseowns.com and then environmental variables. All files. ENV. Okay, hopefully you can't see any of that. Oh God, we see it all, Jace. All right, Twitch client ID. Twitch client ID is equal that bad boy. And then I just need to grab my secret. Where's the secret? Did it show it when I made my application? I did save it. It probably did. I was probably too excited to click the button. To get your, wait, okay, so you click the client at the top of the page, yep, you save it. Now to get your client secret, click new secret. But where's the new secret button? I can never find a new secret when I'm mad. Jaseowns console? Resources. Applications. I can manage or delete my current application. I would like to add a secret, please. Maybe it's because I chose public. Maybe I should have chose confidential. I'm just gonna make a new application. We're just gonna make another one. Register your application. We're gonna say Jaseowns live check for real. That's a Jaseowns live check for real. There we go. HTTP localhost add. There we go. Okay, and then we're gonna select website integration. We're gonna say confidential this time, and then we will go to manage. And sure enough, now there's a secret. There's a client ID and a secret. So I went public last time, but I needed to choose confidential for some reason. Which, does this code really need a confidential secret? I doubt it. Like, all I'm trying to do is check to see if Jaseowns is live. Does it really need a secret? That's fine, though. No judgment. Which client secret equals, and I'm gonna say new secret, like it said. Are you sure you want to generate a new secret? I'm gonna say, okay. It's giving me the secret. I'm secretly writing it down. Secretly saved it. And we're back to the stream. Hello. I got liched. Exactly. My niche has some lich. Squirrel. Next to the old secret. Yeah, it's right next to the old secret. Duh. Okay, cool. So we got the secret now. We got that in there. Blah, blah, blah. That should all work. Okay. So one of the things I wanted to make sure is when we do run this, that if the secret's not set yet, I don't want it to break, right? Because when we first push the code out, unless I preemptively put the secret out on my fly IO box, then it won't work. Look at this. I'm fixing this code. ChatGPT. Optionally poll every few minutes to keep it updated. Interesting. It's already built in there. Golly, gee, Willard. All right, live button. Okay, let's just see if it works. All right, npm run dev. And then the idea is I'm gonna go to /API is live, and I assume I can visit this. I've never, you know, again, I just made this folder. I don't even know if this is working how I think it's gonna work, but we shall see. Oh, my Twitch username. I gotta change this to Jaseowns. And then we'll also console log here, just make sure that we're here. Console log. We made it. We made it, bro. So we should see we made it, bro, in our console. Do you do you guys use console logs like that? I'm a console logger, okay? I don't debug, I console log. Console log is my debugging. All right, we're gonna do localhost 3000. The website's up. And we're gonna do API is live. 404 not found. Of course not. Why would you work first try? I probably named it wrong. No, is live. I don't. I'm still confused of how some of this routing works. Like, I think I need to set the routing up differently. Because I'm using Kent C. Dodd's version of Epic Stack. And I think that he's got some magic in regards to the routing. So this might work on like a default thing, but I think there's some magic behind this. I actually kind of want to just move it in Auth Plus and see if it works, because like some of these, like these logins or log out, for example, this is literally just an action and a loader, and that's basically what I want from this. It's just a loader that's returning the data. So we're actually gonna, I'm just gonna swoopy McSwooperton that over there. Move. Eddie does. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. And then we're gonna close this down and just restart it, just in case the bundle changed, because I moved the file. So can I just hit auth? Auth is live? No, that's still not gonna work. Why? Of course not, Jace. Why would it do that, dude? Hey, thanks for making my dreams come true. With the Prime. One Prime at a time. Appreciate it. Don't forget to join the Discord if you're not in there already. You got a Discord, Jace? I sure do. You should join. Okay, the fact that this is not loading how I think it should is frustrating. But also kind of makes sense, because a loader, now that I'm thinking about it, this is live is just a loader. So there's no, I'm gonna put this back under API because I want to just make sure that I'm not crazy. I'm gonna close this down so we can rerun the bundle. There's no actual response here. You know what I'm saying? So like the logout even, there's an action and a loader. I'm just trying to figure out why it didn't. The admin section. Like, let's just make sure that it actually returns some data. Like in the API, like again, geez Louise. Hey, Jace. So if I go to API/is live, it should load. Hey, Jace. Localhost. API is live. Why is it not finding it? Is it because it needs to be like matchy? No, it doesn't. Oh my god. I'm so aggravated right now. Don't let it bother you, Jace, though. This is how you learn, dude. This is how you're gonna learn how to stream in front of other people. You have to get over some humps. My hump. Um, I'm gonna comment out this loader because is it the loader that's messing me up here? API is live. No, it's still not loading. Pull it all down and relaunch. Did you save it? I did save it, yeah. G-Boney one. What did I just say? Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Stuff happens down south. Is he making a stream intro? No, dude. I'm making a live button. We finished our schedule. So if you go to the jaseowns.com/schedule, it now has my schedule here. It highlights the day and it tells you what we're doing. And then you can scroll down and see that Sunday we're gonna play Bannerlord, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Wait, you're streaming 9 hours a day on the weekdays? I sure am. But now I want to add a button that knows when I'm live. So that's what we're trying to work on right now, and I'm just stumbling through it. All I've done so far is add chat GDP, and then I've just cried. Just cried into the computer. That's all we've done so far. So like the marketing thing that we put scheduling and marketing. Like maybe I need to I just need to I need to find on marketing real quick. What is marketing? Why does everything go into marketing? Of course, Control F doesn't find anything about marketing. There's something that's making the marketing be the main index route. Like let me just, I'm gonna move it's live into marketing. And again, I'm using Epic React's framework for this website, and so all of the plumbing was put in place. I'm not a plumbing guy, okay? I make the bodies. I don't erase the bodies. All right, so this is loading. So if I just go is live. Hey, Jace, there we go. All right, sweet. We're making progress, you guys. Again, there's some magic with the damn marketing folder in that framework, and it's cool. I wish I knew more. Maybe one day we'll learn it. But right now I got a mission. I got a task at hand. First progress of the stream. Yeah, pretty much. All right. So now if I hit save here, it should reload and we should see it say we made it, bro. I'm gonna hit save here. Oh my golly gee willikers. It is live. I don't see we made it, bro. No, we did. We made it, bro. Perfect. Warning, captured a request without a matching handler. If you still wish to intercept this handler request, please create a quest handler for it. What does that mean? What does it mean? Ooh, I wonder if it has to be... Well, why do these have underscores in them? You know, I should probably read his documentation. Like, some of his folders had underscores in them. Some of them don't. Anyway, this is live. Let's go. I'm just gonna import this button into I'm so flustered with myself. I'm trying not to be. I know it's just about learning. You know what I mean? Like, this is literally just about learning, but I feel so dumb. I feel not smart. I feel like I'm going to die. So technically this is the loader data. I don't even need to, I can just do this. We can just do this. I don't need to do this whole live button thing. We just need to put the live button is in live just to get it working. You know what I'm saying? So we just need to do boop. I'm gonna hit control period, and then we're gonna just add all missing imports. And then live status was over here. We're just gonna do that. I'm just putting it all in one file so we can just test it here. Okay, I'm gonna hit save here. And it's, you know, the code's giving me warnings. I probably should look at those docs and see what it's saying, but I'm just curious if it actually returned is live or not. But it seems like it's blocking the request, so. Captured a request without a matching request handler. If you wish to intercept this unhandled request, please open. I don't even know what this is. This is my problem. I don't, you know, oh god. So the fact we're using fetch here, like fetch to me is fine, okay? However, if I need to allow this domain, like maybe it's because I need to allow the domain, like Twitch TV. Maybe, is that what it's talking about? If you wish to intercept this unhandled request, please create a request handler for it. Feel dumb, you're learning. Thank you so much. Don't feel dumb. Never looked at Twitch's app building. This is cool. Thanks, Shoes. Thanks for the support. You're in total darkness here yourself and glean something. Who knows? Just came to support and a little engagement. Thank you, man. I really do appreciate that. It means a lot. It does. Not to be sappy. It means a lot, bro. Thank you. Like, we don't have to fetch. We're not fetching is live here. I'm trying to think, and I probably should speak out loud what I'm thinking. I feel like there was a thing I needed to do in, I'm gonna move this over here to this other window real quick. I feel like there was a thing I have to do in one of the config settings to make sure that you can allow requests to other domains. I think that's my problem. I think that's my problem because I had to do something with like Google to remix config here. Hey, and in the remix config, I'm seeing that there's we're using routes, define routes, we're flattening the routes, and the routes are looking for, you know, star slash underscore star underscore. It's using regulars or something. Ah. I'm just going through my file over here. And then, no, let's go to the root real quick. Root file. Google. goodness gracious. Maybe I should read this. I mean, this is mock. Like, what is this mock thing? Is this just because he's using a mock framework? Like, maybe that's my problem. Like, the framework that I'm using has mock in it. And then maybe it's because I'm saying I'm not mocking out those requests. So those requests aren't realsies. Those are just warnings, you guys. We have the mock framework inside of our website because I'm using a Epic Stack thing. So the good news is those I'm getting those warnings because we're not using like a mock call, and it's actually calling the Twitch API, and the warning is like, hey bro, are you sure you don't mean, like, you're not in production? Are you sure you want to be calling the actual Twitch API? So that makes sense. That makes me feel a little bit better. But while I'm in this other window, I'm going to log some of this data just to make sure that we are correctly getting the client ID and we're correctly getting a auth response. So give me one moment. We sure are. We're getting a token. So that's good. And let me see what the stream data actually says. The stream data gives me it gives me type live. So why is it not returning live? If stream data length is greater than 0, which it is. So we are live. Yeah, true. Okay, so it is returning true. That's cool. It's working. Except it's not showing correctly because I'm mixing things when they shouldn't be mixed. You know what I'm saying? See, there we go. Now when I go to is live is true. It's the JSON response. Oh my golly gee willikers, you guys. We're making progress. We out here. We out here doing it. So what is this song? Cyborg Ninja. So interesting. I'm gonna relog into upbeat.io because it logs me out every 2 damn days. We're gonna start the music over. Alright, cool. Hey Jace, what's cool? I used to be a developer and it was the best job ever. I love being out there making progress and doing it. Heck yeah, man. This is very stressful for me. I was just talking about this. Like, I have a little bit of anxiety. Like, I feel like I'm supposed to know everything, especially streaming. I feel like I'm supposed to know all the answers when I'm like presenting something that I'm trying to build. And when I run into problems, it's like a nick in my, you're an idiot, you know? But I'm not an idiot. We're learning. I don't know everything. I know I don't know everything. I've been doing development for 20 years and every day I learn something new. You know what I mean? But learning it on stream is kind of like, oh, like this dude doesn't know what he's talking about. It's true, I don't. Do you have links blocked? No. As long as you're not linking something bad, choose. I don't know, the best part is knowing that you don't know everything. Being a top-notch developer is being able to solve the problems in real time. Thanks, man. That's good to hear. Whammo. Free. The iframe example. Let's see. Okay, yeah. You out here put me in an iframe. Thanks. Usually on YouTube, but I saw you had a Prime. Pretty big dog. Thanks, man. Really do appreciate it. Helping me live the dream. It's hard to create with an audience. Yeah, it's a little bit nerve-wracking, but that's okay. I want to get more comfortable with it. Honestly, if I could program, like, again, I love video games. Don't get me wrong. I like playing video games, but I think if I were to actually build a live streaming audience, it probably won't be playing video games. It will probably be making other things play video games for us, you know, aka scripts and bots and things like that. Just wanted to pop in and say hi. Also, Crumpet gave you a shout out in his newest video. I got back to the family. Can't watch this willy-nilly streaming guy all the time. No problem, DeClue. Be sure to check out the schedule if you're ever curious about the schedule. Look at that, I even got a button for it now. This audience craves that group building mentality, in my opinion. It's niche, yeah. Taking me for yourself with a real world IRL whiteboard. My whiteboard was your right hand man. Interesting. Yeah. Real world, what's that? You know, physical good? What do you mean? Okay, so the good news is I feel a little bit better now. So now that we at least have it returning the response correctly, now I'm gonna figure out why is it not going, like I wanna kind of put it in the API folder. That way we know it's an API call only. And so let me clear all of this. I'm gonna close down the thing, CLS, so we clear it. That way we don't have any accidental spills of secrets. And then we'll npm run dep. I didn't figured out the. Yeah, okay, I did. We know we're coming here. Sounds good. Okay, save. But for example, we got this at least running, right? And the is live is in this underscore marketing folder. Well, if I look at the remix config, the routing is actually this flat routes thing. And again, I'm not that familiar with all this, which is why I just downloaded a solution that was already built. But the routes, there's all these different ways you can do routing, and they've done different versions of things inside of Remix, because obviously it was a framework that was getting built and there was changes, and you like opt into the future changes. So on this guy's build, he's opting into certain things. So on that note, I need to confirm what flat routes is, because I don't know if I just need like an underscore in the thing. Like, where does the actual why does it know that underscore marketing is correct? Like, I kind of want to know that. I kind of want to understand, why does it know to go to underscore marketing? And when I made a gaming one, I did like add this, but it was a plus afterward. Maybe I need a plus. Maybe that's what it is. I need a plus. I need a plus. I'll move it back to API and then leave the API out of the address. I could try that too. Let's just start it with API like you're saying, and then we'll put it back in with is live, and we'll drag it over to API. Move. I'm gonna close this down and then rerun it, because when you change the files around, you gotta like redo the bundle. The hot reload doesn't work. Okay, so if I run, so if I have it in an API folder and is live, then I get a 404 again. Okay, but I'm gonna do API plus. And I wonder if that's something special. So is live should give me a 404, but now what if I do API live? There we go. I needed a plus. Cool, there's some. Duh, Jace, you needed a plus. Oh my God, I feel so good. I feel like after I was a little bit nervous. I was a little bit nervous going into this thing. We've recovered ourselves after the first hour. Thank God. Okay, my goodness. So now we can get back to like, we could do it now. The music kicks in. I'm ready. I'm hyped. Let's go. No, go back to the flat routes and see what the plus is for. Like in here. There's no plus though. That's what's weird. I wonder if it's in this, the actual like docs. You know? Routes. I probably should have looked at the config like a long time ago. Simplest way to get started with MX. Wait, MDX. I don't want MDX. I want MDX routes. I just want routes. Routes. Function for defining custom routes in the thing. So this was the config. Define routes. Route is equal to some path. A server entry point relative to the root directory becomes your server's main module. If specified, Remix will compile this file along with your application into a single file and deploy to your server. This can be either JS or TX. Okay. I don't want to read all this. Just give me the goods. I don't need to know the whole thing. Just tell me. File name conventions. There's a few conventions that you're aware of. He's made an awesome visualization. Okay, so basic routes. So underscore index. Okay, so if you... Oh god. There's a bunch of different ways to do routes. No wonder. Okay, so basic routes. So if we're on the main homepage, that means we're on the underscore index. And if we do the /about, then we have this thing. And you can also do a dot delimiter. So concert trending is concert/trending, but it's the route name is concert.trending. Concert Salt Lake City, San Diego. Okay, so the dots here are incorporating the slashes. So instead of putting them into folders, you can do dot. Dynamic routing, I know, so that's the same thing. This is what we do on our blog. We do, you know, blog.caret. So movies avatar. That makes sense. Movies trending, got it. I'm looking for a plus though, bro. Where's a plus? Nested routes. Public route. Pathless route. So a pathless route means you don't ever go to it. Interesting. Why is there no pluses in here? Can't see dots. Where you at, bro? It's fine. I'm using some dude's framework, and I don't understand it. It's not in the main. It's not in the main thing. That's fine. That's fine. I'm just happy that we at least got this working. For my particular code base, I need a plus in the folder. I can't tell you why, but I need a plus. So now our live button can go back to saying API is live. Okay, and this should then work correctly because it's going to get the JSON back. And now we can add this live button to one of our pages. Like, let's just go over to the schedule because that's what we were playing with. So let's go to marketing schedule. And then we'll just do the live button. Let's see how it goes. I'm just gonna live button, and then we'll import it. Will it work first try? LOL, I don't know. First try of the stream. Schedule. live right now. Hey, it looked like it worked. Now the only problem is, again, that's then being called for every visitor. And it's for my little website, that's totally fine because there's no visits. However, when I put it on, if I put it on the Outlands website or the RazorScript website, you know, I get quite a bit of traffic there. Not quite a bit, enough to then think this is a problem. So we definitely don't want to call it every time. This needs to be on some sort of server side caching. Cache. So, who is it a problem for exactly? So the fact that I'm using like my API token to reach out to Twitch to get this info, there's some limits to what we can do to like hit the API. And I don't want it to be that if I have 100 people visit my website, I don't want 100 calls happening to get if I'm live or not. You know what I'm saying? I only want like one call per like X visitor. Why not? Because it potentially costs money, or you get blocked. You know what I mean? Like in a normal API sense, when you're calling something, like it's you're spending resource to get the data. And so yeah, there's normally a limit on how many times you can call within like 60 seconds, or you know, there's depending on the API, there's like different limits on the thing. And so again, if this is my personal website and this all it is, then how the code is right now is fine. But I just want to make sure that I'm not spending my tokens on my API calls that I don't need to spend. So we're just gonna, you know, technically we can just ask ChatGPT. I'm gonna say, okay, cool, man. Okay, cool, ChatGPT. You got it working. If I want to cache the result of is live, is it okay to just put it into memory on the server, or do I need to implement some other third party? And I assume it's fine because it's a small little value, but like this is where like Redis, there's other like caching systems, and I don't use them on any of my personal projects. But in other services I've used, we like use third, you know, you would cache it somewhere else. For my personal thing, I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna put it in memory. Yeah, like we cache the object, we set it to null initially, then you check to see if it's null, you check the duration. Is it bad that I'm just gonna copy this thing? Like this was my answer. I just wanted to make sure that ChatGPT was on my side, you guys, I swear. I swear. And so what you do there is you do the live, the doo-doo. We would cache this on the live portion code, right? Because that way your button can still constantly like look at it, but it's not gonna actually reach out to Twitch unless it needs to based on the cache duration. Anyway, Warflower, the plus folders are treated as a flat route structure. So _auth plus forgot password is just _auth. Okay, interesting. So it's just a way to, it's if you are using flat routes, it allows you to have it in a folder. Nice. Thank you for finding that, Warflower. Where did you find that? Was that in the doc that I was looking at that I didn't actually read? We're in time. Yeah, and that link. Okay, cool. Thanks. When I start reading things, my eyes cross, you know? I turn into a pile of mush. Especially on stream, man. Oh god. Like, I don't read patch notes for a reason, you guys, okay? Terms of service? I accept. Jace, you just gave us your firstborn. Dang it. YouTube blocked your GitHub link. Oh, sorry, man. It's on the flat routes, GitHub. Is it on this thing or no? You were just flat routes? Killerman? Okay. Yeah, so this is yeah, this is the stack I'm using for my project. This Ken C. Dodds Epic stack. This is what I'm using. Cool, thanks for finding that. I want to say I'll look at that later. I may or may not. But good to know. Okay, so I wanna make sure that we're caching this call. Cache. This collé. And now ChatGPT is making me not want to even think at all. I'm just go back to it and copy paste. Like, this is my problem with AI. Like, I like it. I think it's neat. But now I'm gonna like just rely on it for everything. I'm a little sus. You know? Also, maybe not. Maybe I don't need to maybe I don't need to care. Did I miss something here? I probably should just hit copy, but I don't want to. I want to see what it is. Ah, you set it here, Jace. You set the cache, then you return the is live. I see, I see. And it was throwing an error because it knew it never got set. So it was like, hey, bro. You're never being set. Okay, and I can remove this. And then I'm going to return to cache as well, just so I know that it's from the cache, okay? So we're going to say cache is true, and then we'll say cache is false down here. Just so that we know that we in fact got it from the cache. So in our live button, it's going to be using the state set is live, and then we'll just say is cache. Is cache. Set cache. And I could probably use Copilot for this as well. But now I'm gonna need to look into cursor. Oh my goodness, there's so many things to look at and do, see, and know. Set is cache, data is cache, cached. is cached. That is cached. And then we want to add that is cached. Actually, no, it's just cached. Boolean. So is cached live right now. Let me move this over here. We'll go to the Jaseowns schedule. So refresh. Live right now. Its cache is empty. Why? Why is this cache empty? Squirrel! His wife bot. Hello, squirrel. Tired? Don't be being tired out here. Feels late. Does feel late. Can confirm. Cache is false. Okay, cache is false. That seems okay. But why is cache false? Is cache and is the current time less than last checked? Last checked is current time. Cache false. Cache true. I play the time change. Yeah, the time change never is nice. You know. Cache true. It is returning true. That's good. But why is it false here? It is. It's true here, guys. What am I doing? Okay, we got this. So why is it not outputting it? I'm just doing it silly. That's probably why. I'm saying is cached. I need to be like, you know, cached. Not cached. It's like, I can't just output true. There, it's not gonna work like that. There we go. Thank goodness. Oh my golly gee willikers, you guys. We're doing it. We're doing it live. We got this. Okay, so what's cool about this now? We got our live and it's not cached, but it is cached. Cache. Am I doing it wrong? I see we're gonna get a modern whiteboard. I know you want one. Oh. Windle. Just talking about it. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Let me ask the bot. We gotta see what the bot has to say.
Windows Mother.
Windle Smother
Windows Mother.
was talking about it. Okay, so cached, false. If we refresh it, it should be cached. Why is it not working? I mean, it's working. It's just, is cache is not being set correctly. Did I spell it wrong? Did you spell it wrong, bro? Probably. Yeah, I'm looking for cached and I said cache. Oh my gosh. It's dot cache. Cache. Save. Oh my god. Oh my god. Not cache. Okay. So if I refresh it, cached. Okay, great. We did it. Again, progress. This will prevent us from hitting it when we don't necessarily need to. Hashtag checkmark. This is I'm excited about this because I've wanted to have this on my website for a while. And I just haven't spent any time doing it. So I'm glad we're doing it, guys. We're doing it live together on the stream. Ooh-wee, don't judge me. All right, and I don't really care about that it's cached now. I just wanted to see if it was working. So I'm actually gonna undo all of that stuff that we just spent time doing. I just wanted to make sure that it was in fact being cached. So that's good. This should be good. And now we want to make like a live button. And I'm wondering if the return data from the API call is actually returning me like the picture. It would be nice if it returned the, I'm assuming it's gonna return me the data of the stream. So let me go back to the is live. And instead of just looking for that one specific thing, it's basically saying, hey, did we get any stream data? Then it was live. But I wonder if there's more data that we can get. And so I'm going to console log this stream data, but I'm gonna do it off to the side here because I don't know what it's gonna pop out. And before I pop it out live on stream, LOL, I wanna make sure that it's nothing like you can steal. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so it returns me the ID, the user ID, the user login, the username, the game ID, the game name, the type, the title, a viewer count, when I started, the language, the thumb near you. Okay, yeah, I mean, can I just click this thumbnail URL? Let's see if it brings it up. Open. Not found. Okay. I think because it wants the. I wonder if it wants this to be filled in, like 100 by 100. Let's see. I'm just typing this in. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's the preview. It's the preview of me not finding the preview. That's hilarious. "404 not found. We didn't find the preview of the preview." It's like Inception. "800 by 4. I don't know the exact things. That's funny though. Wait, now it's a preview and a preview. It keeps constant. Wait, this keeps bringing this keeps bringing up a preview, you guys. A preview. Look, there's Jace. Papa Jace. You can't tell me what to do. Never mind. Okay, cool. Anyway, sorry. So, what we've done is we've created a live button. Now, the fact that it has a lot more data on there is kind of cool. Do I want to pull all that in? I don't know. It would be kind of nice to know that I'm live in a certain category. And maybe what the title is of the stream. All right, I'm going to parse out some of this data here. And I'm doing it off to the side here. Because again, I don't know if these are like unique for me. Because there's some... I mean, I don't think it is. I don't think those matter. We'll see. Don't take my stuff, okay? We would never, Chase. We would never. All right, anyway, so when we get this data back, it's checking to see, hey, did stream data contain data? Then it knew we were live. But really, data actually consists of the ID, the user ID, the login, the game ID, the software development, and then the type, and then the viewer count, things like that. So ideally, we should just... I could pipe some of this stuff in. Right? So like start it out. I could know the duration of my stream, you know? So like if you see that I'm is live, you might know I've been live for 2 hours or whatever. Is that necessary? No. Is it overkill? Probably. Do I need it? Oh, probably also no. But I'm gonna pipe it in anyway, because eventually I think we should... What is my end goal here? My end goal for me is to show that I'm live on my website and then the UO Rage Scripts website. Is mature, false, true that. Well done. Yeah, so true. You know, like I'm wearing a Jurassic Park t-shirt, giggling while I'm programming. It's probably, that's the most accurate statement of the stream so far. Thank you, Matt Kyber. I appreciate you. Is mature, false. So true. We could just put that on a t-shirt. Is mature, false. Okay. So how might we parse out this data? That's, I mean, do I need to do that? I kind of want to. All right, well, let's just write this out. I'm going to go ahead and just copy paste this right here. Boom. We parse it out by clearing out our mind with a quick dungeon run. Nice. Hydrobot, thank you. Thanks for the reminder. By the way, I did add a schedule command. So, boom, schedule. Back to Rust. Proish, thank you for stopping by, telling me to hydrate. How's Rust, by the way? Are you enjoying it? Have you played it before? Is it something you played a long time? Tell me a little bit about it before you vamos. You love it? So good. Okay. You're selling me. I think Bliggity likes Rust. Or maybe it's 7 Days to Die. Are they the same thing? I've been developing Discord PyBots. What do yours do, Jace? Mine are in Discord JS. I'm a JavaScript. Oh. No, but 7 Days to Die, you like that also? Okay, yeah. Bliggity loves 7 Days to Die. I think that's like one of his things. Rust is more like UO. Interesting, okay. Okay, we're gonna paste this here. Now, can I just ask Copilot? Can I just do this? Can I just say, hey, Copilot, can you turn this object into a type and help me parse it out of the stream data? I don't know how to use Copilot. Is that how you use it? I'm not sure. Let's see what it did. It gave me the type, so that's cool. That's kind of what I wanted there. Parse stream data. And live inside of here. Rest is the UO playset with guns, but sorry, there's no scripts. Okay. You want to touch Rust? I got you. Okay, cool. Thank you. Interesting. Very interesting. I don't think I've ever played it, but cool. Have some fun, man. Thanks for stopping by and saying, yo, drink some damn water. Hydrobot. Okay, if we want to get the live stream data, is live, cached, and then we're gonna say data, like live stream data. Oops. But technically, we only want to do that if there is data. Okay. How many players are on the Rust server at the moment? Pro-ish gamer? Chase K would like to know how many players are on the Rust server at the moment. Or at a time. Sorry, at a time. Which server? Great question. Is it like max like 64 people, or is like one of those things, or like how many people can be on a server? Is it like unlimited, or is it like up to 100? Is it up to 3? Depends on the server. Okay. All right, let's see. We're gonna pass this live stream data here. And I just wanted to make sure that we get export the stream data. Live button. Live stream data gonna equal to stream data. Add the import for that bad boy. Way to go, Copilot. You're doing great, buddy. And we can hopefully, yeah, if data is live, set the stream data. No, you don't need to do all of that. Just want to know set stream. If data is live, set the stream, live stream data. What did I name it? AKA, what did the bot name? Stream data. Okay. Live stream data. Live stream data. Be that. Actually, we could set it just based on that. Okay. Why are you messing up my tabbies? Why are my tabbies broken? Oh no, what did I do, dude? Oh no, dude. Oh, you just deleted it! I think I need to do that. There we go. Okay, cool. Some are 1,000, some are 40. I don't play, but they can be up to 1,000. Oh my goodness. How many players can a server hold to operate, I wonder? Thousands on UO is pretty cool, but achievable because such low graphics. You play on PvE servers, so around 200 through 40-ish. Nice. Up to 1,000 in a Rust-style game sounds rad. Rust server can hold 1,200 players with a lot of lag, so you play the smaller servers. Yeah. Interesting. Very neat. Okay, so now we can, in theory, do this data where we say live stream, live right now, and then like game name. So now it should say software and development. Live right now, software and development. Let's see if it worked. Did it work, bro? Oh my goodness gracious, it sure did. That's fantastical. We're making progress, you guys. You love it? I'll show you, Jace. Is it on Steam? It's just on Steam, right? Okay, so I'm going to take the live button. So, I mean, Copilot, that was pretty good at Copilot. Copilot, let me grab the types real quick. Overall, the ChatGPT, let me get things, set it up. Your channel has a clip. Let me take a look. Okay, cool. Post it in the Discord when you get it, okay? Because for some reason, YouTube links get blocked a lot, and technically, I should probably block links in general. But put it in the Discord if you can. Jaseception, thanks, Shoes. That's funny. Okay. So what am I trying to do now? I want to add it into the menu, and I don't necessarily need all the goodies. I just wanted to make sure that we had it, so that's nice. And then I want to make the button prettier. So the schedule, I do have this little red button here that we could just utilize. It's a emoji or whatever. Emoji. Live now. Instead of a button, we're going to just say hey here, HP, youtube.com/Jaseowns/live, right? Or should I take them to Twitch? Guess I should take them to Twitch, considering I'm pinging Twitch channel? Any channel. It's fine. I'm asking you to do it. General chat. You know, whatever. All right, cool. I'm gonna take a look after the stream. Thanks for posting that. Rust fun? Heck yeah. https://twitch.tv/Jaseowns. Live now. Alright, so if I save that, it will look a little prettier. Live now, but now we're actually going to make it like live now button. I'm just Googling real quick a pretty Tailwind CSS button because I'm cheating. So that's what we're doing right. That's what we're doing right now. We're just looking for a pretty Tailwind CSS button over here on the other side, and I found one. It's got a interesting little glow about it and everything. So let's go ahead and take that. And since I'm sending you to Twitch, we're gonna make it purple. Twitch is kind of purple. Let me put that right here, right now. Glass. Actually, where's the button? Like, we should just be able to take all of these glasses. This is what's interesting about Tailwind, is it's like, there's some cool stuff people have already made that you can take advantage of. I'm not a design guy, so there we go. I mean, again, I don't know. Does that look good? I have no clue. But we're gonna put it up here. We're gonna basically be like live. So I'm gonna undo the Discord highlight here. This was just an example when I didn't have any menu options. And then if we're live, we're gonna have it show up live. And I'll probably remove the title. For now. We're just glad we have the data. You know what I'm saying? Picking up what I'm putting down. Things are looking good, you guys. It was touch and go there for a while. I just got to get more comfortable coding on the stream. You know what I mean? Like, again, it's just you're only going to get better at it, Jace, if you do it. And I'm doing it. I've kind of avoided doing it because I was nervous about this. And so I'm so glad that, next color for the Discord purple is that? Okay, cool. Let me see if we can incorporate that into the button. Copy pasta did it. Wait, the hex color for the Discord logo purple is that? How about do you have the color for Twitch? Because I'm technically gonna get rid of the color on the Discord button I have right now. We're gonna take this live button. And then put it instead of in schedule, we're going to put it in our header, which is in the root file, because it's, why would you have it in a header file, Jace? I don't know, bro. Leave me alone. We're gonna go root. And we're gonna say Discord. So if I plop this bad boy right into here. Hold control, hit period, add the imports, save, control S. We should now have that in our... Wow, that's very great looking. Perfect. First try. real nerd hours. Who up? I'm up. You up? We out here. Look, 6 to 9, 11 to 2, 6 to 9. What time is it right now? It's 7:47. And this is not live. Look, we're live now even. Look at this beautiful button we just made. We're live right meow. Jace, your button looks like shit. Leave me alone. Leave Jace alone. And if we click that, it should just take us right to us. And perfect. Exactly what we wanted to see. My menu is getting a little crampy. A little crampy McCrampyton over here, you guys. We're skipping that song. Restarting the playlist. Okay. Schedule. Looking good. Our how was my favorite? Doing well, Ponsar. That's my favorite full-time streamer. Thanks, dude. I'm doing great. We're rounding out the week. You know, this is my 4th day of being a full-time streamer, okay? Now, when you say you're a full-time streamer, Jace, what does that mean? Well, that means I'm putting in full-time hours. That doesn't mean I'm making full-time money, but guess what? The only way I'm gonna be a full-time streamer is by full-time streaming. So we've added a schedule to our website here. So if you just ! schedule, boom. 6 to 9, 11 to 2, 6 to 9 Texas time. Let's go. 9 hours every weekday. Oh, I just hit it. It's probably a cooldown. I got a little button on my side that I can like send the command. Anyway, so you go to this little schedule website and it tells you what we're doing right today, dynamically. Live schedule for Thursday. Stop by and say hi. And then if you scroll down, here's the Sunday schedule. We're gonna play Mountain Blade Bannerlord on Sunday, 6 to 9. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh, look, it's Thursday. It's highlighted. Friday, Saturday, Bannerlord. Let's go. Anyway, the thing that I'm working on right now is to make sure that I can have a we're live right now button on the website, and we're locally working on it, Homestar. Okay, and as you can see, it's very beautiful, but it's working. So we're gonna make it even more pretty. Just like your face. Are you moving after the downloads? Oh, no, it's just the way the styles are set up right now. I just need to fix it. Shoes. Let us bring it up. It probably doesn't need to be in this group. Again, the group is the hover, you know, like this is a hover situation, and it's not really a hover for this one. It's just a live button, so I probably don't need group. That's probably what was messing with it. So that at least fixed the weirdness of the break right there, because the group means that it has like a weird underscore or underline. You know? Live now. Yeah, though, you know what the easiest fix would be? You know what the easiest fix for this would be? This is the way you can program. When you're a programmer and it's like it's not working. You know what the easiest fix is? Well, it's removed now. Damn it! It didn't work. Damn it! It backfired, you guys. I was really hoping it would be perfect. Son of a gun. It's okay, live now. That would have been funny though if it would have fixed it. Then it would have just been live. No judgments. All right, and again, this is where streaming is hard. Like in theory, like if I'm not streaming and I'm coding, the monitor over here would be this code, right? And then I would just be editing it right here, right now, and I wouldn't have to alt tab or nothing, and I can just look over and see that it's changing. You know what I'm saying? Like, how do you live stream code on the same screen? Like, I need to figure this out. I need to understand what the options are. I need to learn how to do it. I'm gonna remove all the classes on that button just to see what happens when there's no button classes. Okay, so it is, either way, it's putting itself on its own line. But poor Kate, why is that? It's probably just related to the root file here. And again, while we're in here, let's go ahead and remove the grouping around. Do Discord here, Discord, and we're gonna comment out that button for now, because okay. I'm sorry, I'm editing off the other side here because I'm trying to make it easier for me to see. Like maybe you guys should be doing. Can I minimize this? How the hell do you minimize this? There you go. That's a little bit more real estate. Here we go. Now we can see the live now button. Is live, we don't care about that. Live button. Button link. Live now. The question is, will it work when we're not live? Phone Star, are you live right now? No. Okay, I'm gonna update. My eyes are only for you. You're so sweet. We're gonna update the live button check to look for your channel, okay? And we'll see if it is gonna change it. So Pwnstar 85. Let's see if Pwnstar 85 is online, and it went away. So let's go back to the live button. Just make sure that we say, instead of being empty, we want to say not live. Just so we can see it. So not live. You're not live right now. And then we'll go back to this Sponsor 85 and put Jaseowns. And it should, yep, it updated to is live now. Okay, look at that, you guys. Oh my golly gee willikers, we've done it. Yeah. Hashtag success. It took 2 hours to do the thing I thought I was going to do in like 45 minutes. Shocking. A true developer fashion. I thought this would be pretty quick. It's not. But that's all right. We've done it. You're a certified Jaseowns beta tester. So true, dude. You're like the OG, though, honestly, because you've been using Share Chat this whole time. And don't worry, I am going to start working on that product for real. There's some streaming things that I want to get finished. And then I want to hop into Share Chat. And I probably won't work on Share Chat live on these sessions, but during my focus times, that's when I'm planning on doing that stuff. It's great news. Heck yeah, man. We'll have to chat about it again. You know what I'm saying? Don't think I forgot. Yes, please. Yeah, absolutely. Yes, please, sir. Okay, what's cool is, I think that this works okay. Now, the thing is, we're passing a hard-coded username into knowing if something's live or not, which is fine, because this is my website. If we end up wanting to know if multiple streamers are live, we may or may not reuse this code. You know, because again, the idea is I would like to what were you gonna say, Jace? I would like to you know, like on Outlands, UORichGrips.com, and then my other website that I work on, UOAddicts. I want to have like a streamer section. Okay, I do want to update this website. We are gonna work on this one, and we are gonna work on UOAddicts during these Tuesdays, Thursdays times. How do we know your schedule, Jace? Well, look at the schedule, bros. You know, Tuesday, Thursday, these are work days. Right, this is where we are right now. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna be back for Ultima Online. Okay, so if that's the droids. If that's what you're looking for, I'll see you tomorrow on it. But then I'll see everybody for a live focus session, right? That way we can get some things done that we need to get done all together. Schedule. Yeah, it's working. It's the small things in life, dude. Yes. Okay, I like that. This is good. All right, so now we want to it doesn't say a time zone anywhere on your schedule. Shit, doesn't it? I need to do CST, huh? At Calbrain, you're so good. Okay. Thank you. Good catch. This is epoch time. Oh, I do. Look at that CST right there. Boom. But yeah, no, I'll put CST on the time slots. So it was there, just hidden. I'm just gonna put it here, everywhere. Technically, I could probably just turn this to a time and then like localize it to the user. That way they could see. That would actually make a lot more sense, Jace. Instead of just doing a string, you should probably do a time. Let's do that. We're gonna squirrel. We're gonna side quest. I technically do want to get a list of streamers who stream Ultima Online. We can keep that in the back pocket. But instead of doing give iframe black too, I try to put Jaseowns under my Twitch iframe. Yeah, no cross contamination for me, Mr. Shoes. I don't want to load traffic. But thanks. No. But thank you. Dewey. Dewey. Hey, Dewey. Come on, Dewey. Okay. So let me refresh here. So CST, so this is showing, but let's let's do the time zone, right? That's what we should do. I'm not good with time. That's another ball game. Not good with time. Whole nother, maybe we could just use ChatGPT for, huh? Yeah? Yeah, it wanted me to use Redis. I didn't want to use Redis. Okay, thanks. Thanks! Thanks. This worked great. Another thing I would like to do is show my schedule, but in the time zone of the user. For example, I will stream 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. CST. What is the best way to output that to the user in their time zone? Hey Jason, what did you use to work with in programming? So I before I got laid off, I was at like a big corporation. I'm a web developer, and I've done like Cold Fusion is how I got started, and then it was like .NET, C#, like web forms, back in the day, jQuery, like all that olden stuff. But then like my job most recently has been like just C# API stuff. And then at home I use everything like JavaScript. Everything's JavaScript. So professionally C#, at home JavaScript. Jace, why don't you just use C# at home? Well, I don't know. I just like JavaScript calls to my heart, but I don't know it as good as I should. So our stream schedule. See, like this right here. How did it know this was UTC? I don't know. This sets a sample date representing 6 a.m. CST. Automatically converts to the local time zone. If you yell at ChatGPT, it works better. Your favorite is Bash? Okay. Choose, you're like a professional, man, okay? I'm a fake programmer, I'm a web developer. So this is all just, I'm faking it. I'm not quite the architect, right? I'm not quite somebody who builds the house, and I'm not the designer. I'm not really somebody who designs a home. I'm not the person that puts in the electricity. I'm kind of like a painter, but I don't choose the color either. You got to tell me which color to choose, Wait, Chase, you're really selling your skills here. I know. Pretty good. trust in the process. Okay. Yeah, let's do this time zone thing. Yeah, Calbrain, that was very smart. Thank you for the idea. So this format time, the date international. Okay. Okay. So instead of saying 6 to 9, nice. I'm gonna paste this little function that it gave us. Format time. And I'm gonna tell it my true schedule. My schedule is 6 a.m. to 9 a.m., 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. CST. And you help me update schedule? Certainly. Certainly. Some PHP web devs or JS web devs and old school HTML CSS devs, they all their specialty in many ways solve problems. Yeah, exactly. That's where I fall into. I'm in those categories. You know, Cold Fusion, C#, JavaScript. I'm a web dev guy. I don't really like server stuff. I'm not excited. If a server like breaks or the network doesn't work, or I have to like set up something in the cloud, those are not my, I'm not happy. You know? Why did it use 23? I guess it doesn't matter, right? Because these are just the start times and end times. Why you use 2023? Where do you say start end? Wait. Oh, it's 6 a.m. Wait. Schedule. 6 a.m. Again, I don't know if this is right. 6 to 9. I don't want to like have to remember what this means. You know, I kind of want to set it as a constant. Const. You know? Stream times 6 a.m. equals this, just so I know what it is, because I'm not gonna remember what this is. Is it? I mean, let's see. Is it 15? Like, what is 12? Is it because it's 6 hours difference? UTC? Calbrain, your server side all the way. Nice. This Discord app I'm working on is using a channel as my database to save the API data. Okay, nice. That's cool. Interesting solution. Let's just say morning start time. That we don't need to do 6 a.m. We're just gonna say morning start time, morning end time. Morning end time. And maybe we should just do morning schedule, right? Like, I don't... Morning start time, morning end. We'll just paste that in there. Boom. Okay. And then we could do like midday. And then evening. Evening? Evening? Good day for fishing, ain't it? Evening? That looks wrong. Is that right? Evening? Why does that look so wrong? We don't need none of those. Right? Or we do? Oh no, it's mad because using the same name. Midday. Midday. Okay, so what are you doing? Well, I'm trying to... My schedule is going to have these dates in it. I didn't want to have to remember what these are. Because I'm slightly hit, you know? Have you tried Moment.js, or have you tried Moment.js? I have in previous projects, but not in this one. That was like the time formatter, right? It helps you output things. Like I could do like 10 seconds ago, things like that. Because that might be a good thing to add here. That way I next stream in X number of blah, blah, blah time. Okay, so the start time of this stream is the morning start time. The end time of this stream is the end time. And I can remove this. Start and end. Why is start not happening? Start date and date. Or null. Just in case we didn't fill it in. Okay. You think you could do it? You think Copilot can just do it? It didn't fill it in correctly. I was kind of hoping that Copilot just like went ahead and was like, oh, I'll convert these things to the thing. I'm just cheating. I'm just gonna go like this. I want it to be undefined. I want it to be... I don't want it to throw me an error. There. Okay. All right, we got it. Okay. And so now we want to format the time. We output the time. If I say slot.start, wants to be a date. Or null. If not date, return empty. Are you happy? Date, null, or undefined. Okay. Date, null, undefined. Boom. Save. Okay. We got this. We're doing it, y'all. Where did it, Shouldn't it be right here? Wait, that's Monday. Monday morning start time. Monday morning. Oops. Where are you at, bro? Monday. Why are you not there? Because why wouldn't you be, you know? Monday, start. There's not a date. Oh wait, I only changed it in the top portion. Oh my golly gee willikers. There we go. All right, so this is the formatted date of the CST. Perfect. Fantastic. Great. So what we want to do is now we want to you know, say dash and then end, and then we'll make we'll make them all pretty. I'll probably just get rid of the time. It's AM CST to 9 AM CST. Perfect. Okay. Progress. Progress being made. You gotta love it. I said you gotta love it. Okay, so these are all the morning times. Perfect. And then these are the midday time, midday start time, midday start time, midday end time. Okay, boom. Good news is my schedule is very the same. Consistency is key. Maybe. We'll find out together over the next 3 weeks. Wait, not end day. Evening. 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 Is that wrong? I think it's wrong. Evening. Save and play. Oh man, that's a thick looking schedule, boy. Now the true test is, will this show up correctly for someone who's not in my time zone? Maybe. And also, why is this no longer centered? That's very annoying. Also, now I'm showing a little nibbly bit when I don't want to show a nibbly bit. Always something to do, you know? Always something going on. Have you seen the Primogen's keyboard camera setup? I've seen that, yeah. That dude's like a professional, you know? I could look into it. It's a good idea. Thank you. Definitely need some more interactiveness during the stream besides me just crying. You know? Because you're not crying into the stream. You're fine. I know. I just, you never know. Format time range. We're actually going to change this to past the start and the stop. End. Format time range. Const. Format time range equals all of that bad boy. Boom. Wow, it knew what I wanted. Save and play. Thanks, Copilot. Now those are gone. Perfect. I would like to know why these aren't centered. They're centered when we're squished. They're not centered when we're large. Why? Text center. M auto. Class equals M auto. Maybe I need M auto on there. I sure did. I need M auto on my images. M auto means margin automatic. I think that's what M auto means. Let's see. These slot content. So the slot content, I need a class name equals M auto. I do like that he's gotten so popular that he almost doesn't talk and constantly typing. Right now, you are a rubber ducky programming, 100%. 100 percentile. We should probably just have a big rubber duck on the stream. It's my squirrel. My squirrel is my rubber duck. Squirrel. Go ahead and add M auto to all of these images as well. So that things look pretty. Oh my golly gee willikers. Alright, good enough. Hashtag good enough for me. We got the live now button. We got the, I need to fix this top portion. We got the dates. And hopefully formatted in your time zone. Now it just needs to line up. It does, except for these ones. And these ones. Why don't they line up? Because they don't have a title. I need to put a title on the workday streams. Let's fix that too real quick. 8:26. We got, 30-ish minutes. 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. are shorter than 11 a.m. What do you mean? Oh, for this? What are you talking about? You're talking about this, right? We're gonna fix this one right now. Yeah, perfect. Because basically I don't have a title for those ones, so we're gonna give it a title. Give him a title, bro. Productivity. And then technically I want to do work day session. Building future. And the images is this workday session. I need to change this around. Building for the future workday session. Workday session, building for the future. Workday session. It is Tuesday. And instead of doing all this, I just need to go blop, blop, image. Now, again, is this the best way to do this? No. Is there a million different ways we can do this? Yes. Is this what I'm doing right now? Yes. And we'll see what happens. Workday session image. And the idea here is I'm gonna like easily change out my my thing as needed, but you know, you never know how easy it will be. Got the mosquitoes coming in. But this is the sausage. Who wants to know how the sausage is made? This is how you make the sausage. All right, cool. So now it lines up a little bit better. Focus session. It's saying focus session though. Why is it saying focus session? What did I do wrong? I think I did the productivity title, but I didn't mean to do the productivity title. You're right, Jace. You done messed up. There we go. Whoops. Wrong thing. Building future. Focus session, building future. There we go. We out here. Thursday. Wow, that is... What did I do? What did I do with... No! Why? Why is it like this? I probably missed a auto on something. That's a Thursday. I sure did. I missed the class name M auto on that bad boy. Let's go. There. So pretty. Same Jace, different content. I love it. Yeah, yeah, no worries. I'm staying on brand for sure. Shit, why does that work? Why is it? What's happening? Ah, Harry Ravenkiller, welcome to the stream. Hello. How are you? Let's see. We're getting the schedule. It's looking fly. We got the live now button because we're live right now. Oh my golly gee willikers. So before I check this in, because if you guys are in different time zones, I would love for you to check it or like, you know, like go to the thing and make sure that it does in fact show for you differently. They could all use a border. Hey, don't be getting ideas now how I can actually make some content. You need to fix the current schedule at the top. Damn it. Okay, right. I was so excited to be done with that. I'm not done. Is that all I needed to do? Yes. They could all use a border. Maybe the one that's the current is green and the rest are all red. Yeah, the idea was like this is like, hey, I've just tuned in, and then this pulls in Thursday, right? So this is Thursday, so that's current, and then everything else is like not current, and then if you like keep scrolling down, then you're back to current. That was my idea there. Again, I'm not a design guy. You know, and then you could like see it in light and dark, you know? So like light mode looks like this. Again, is that the nicest looking thing? No, I'm not. Again, I could use a design person for sure. I'm gonna just leave this text here in the CTS. What kind of monster uses light mode? That's a great question. All right, I think we're gonna do a little bit of Q&A here, or QA. We're gonna do some QA. I think we're going to. The current needs to be highlighted, even though you're putting it at the top. The top should say Thursday, like right up here. I do have I have this where it says like the live schedule for Thursday. Come and stop by. But I see what you're saying, Greg. Let me make it a little bit different. No one reads the small text. That's true. So true. You're focused on the road. You made it home. Hell yeah. Way to make it home, buddy. Jaseowns live schedule for Thursday. The reason why I want this text here is that way if somebody searches for Jaseowns live schedule, it like gets picked up by Google at some point in time. Okay, cool. I'm gonna check this in, and then let's see if anybody's in the not time zone that's CTS, and we can see if it actually worked. Thank you guys for putting up with me live streaming so much. I appreciate you guys tuning in. You know, don't let your dreams be memes, guys, okay? If you want to do it, just let go from your job and just make it happen. We're gonna say get add. We're gonna say get commit. Adding time zone. You schedule. And live now button. Actually, you know what? It's not gonna work. Because I never did I didn't set the secrets yet in the Fly IO, and I didn't test that either. I should probably test that. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna not call this if these are empty. You know, like if I've been refreshing every page every time you save. Nice, okay. If the oops, it was gonna tell me what I wanted to do. Like why? It knew what I was about to do. If okay, and so this should be, I'm gonna run this code real quick. Okay, I just want to make sure that the live now still works. Then we're going to change this variable to something else, just so that it actually airs, and then we'll see that we actually got the air and see what happens, okay? So if I refresh here, we are live now, which is fantastic. I'm going to change this to Upone Star 85, just to make sure that it goes away. So it went away. That's expected, because he is not live right now. Jaseowns is live, so I'm gonna hit save on there. Live now, great. And then I want to change the variable name because then they wouldn't exist. So like Z, right? Like what happens there? Did it error or anything? It just says failed to load server. So it threw a 500 error, but the site still works? Question mark. I'm gonna not throw a 500 error, and I'm just gonna say, is life false? Instead of throwing an error, we're just gonna say, is life false? I'm sweating. I think the wife bot turned on the air conditioner or the heater or something. Golly, I'm sweating in here. Ooh-wee. Is life false? This will be no. Hash false. Just so we don't throw an actual error when it can't read those variables. I don't care that I can't read it. Okay. And then we're gonna make sure that it works again by just saying, you know, these are the correct variables, save. Live now, looking good. You know what I didn't check is the mobile menu. I don't think it's in the mobile menu. Let me add to the mobile menu. Bueno momento, por favor. Dan, you got 10 inches of snow in Colorado in the last 2 days. You're gonna deep freeze off to go outside? Don't miss that Texas weather. No snow. Snow plus cold is better. Jeez. That's crazy. I can't tell you. I'd rather be hot than cold. However, so we only run this button once. I'm gonna say, you know, const the live button is equal to live button. And then we will output the live button here. And then we also will put it inside of this bad boy. Play. Save. Save and play. Alright, now we got the live now in our mobile menu. We got the live now in our regular menu. Let's go. Man, we are making all sorts of progress. That looked weird. That's fine. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. I'm gonna redo the menu. I added too many things at the top of the menu now. I'm gonna have to re-evaluate said menu. But that's fine. Let's get this checked in, Chase. Let's do it. Did you go full-time streaming? I'm doing full-time streaming until I can no longer do full-time streaming. So yes, Greg, I'm doing 9 hours a day. My schedule will be on this website that we're about to push. And it looks so pretty. 6 to 9, 11 to 2, 6 to 9. 9 hours a day. That's awesome. Yeah, thank you. I've yeah, since I lost my job. I just want to I've said that I've wanted to stream before, and the only way I'm going to do it is if I do it. And so I'm streaming. And I'm building my brand. I'm building a product, and I'm playing UO. And then also on the weekends, we're going to play Game of the Month, which is Bannerlord right now. And then we'll just see how it goes, you know? I have a little bit of runway, and I'm going to try to take off this plane. You realize you lost your job? That sucks, man. Yeah, it sucks, and it's a blessing, you know? Like, I worked at the same place since I was 20. I got my job when I was 20 years old, and I'll be in February I'll be 40. So I'm trying. I've only had the same job for the whole time. Obviously, different roles within the job, but worked there for almost 20 years. So the idea is with my business card. Where you at, business card? Wait, that's the nope. Where are you? Nope. Where you at, business card? Nope. Where you at, business card? I have too many things open now. YouTube banner. I'm gonna delete that. Okay. Instagram, Discord banner. And we're gonna close that one. Where you at? There we are. I worked for the same company for almost 20 years. Now my goal is to work for myself for the next 20. That's my goal. I believe in me. I believe I could do it. And again, live streaming is going to be part of that. Making products is going to be part of that. Side gigs are going to be part of that. It's going to be a whole big thing. We'll see how it goes. Is Wifebot happy with this new arrangement? Yes, this is Wifebot approved. She believes this will provide for the fam. You know? Time for the fam. Speaking of Wifebot, it sounds like she's trying to pickpocket into here. Hello? It's a child. 1 second. All right. Ooh, no earlobe for you. We're doing layoffs at my job. You can find out next week. Yeah, good luck to you. Yeah, it's crazy. Crazy age we live in. All right, let's, what was I trying to do? We tested the mobile menu. Was I checking this in? Are we all done? I think we're gonna test it, right? Hit status. We're gonna add, we're gonna say, pick handle. Secret not being there. Add to mobile menu. And then this guy is just, oh, who commits, push. Let's go. We've pushed the code, and I have, yeah, look at him use it, yeah. That's one thing I do. I don't like the add-ons for it. I don't know why. But I'm not a professional, by no means, don't worry. Anyway, and then I have hooks in Git to deploy to fly. So we should, at any moment, get a refresh on the Jaseowns website for realsies. And we'll know because Discord will turn not purple. And then also this will look prettier, right? Instead of just saying 6 to 9, it's gonna have the CST. I'm gonna refresh again. Come on, bro. Hit me up. Come on, bro. To be fair, it might have not passed the type checks. I didn't actually run the type check. Why would you actually run your type checks, Jace, before you check your stuff in? I don't know, because I don't pay attention. Please don't have any errors. If you do, it won't work. Okay, cool. There's no type checkers. Refresh. I said refresh. Okay, so Jay's not having a job. Does this mean that we get our scripts website that lets us check boxes for what we wanted to do? Yes, Monty, yes. Over the next couple weeks. Yes. This is me getting comfortable though, like coding on stream. This is like nerve-wracking to me. I know I just gotta do it and get used to it. So this is part of doing it and get used to it. But this is hard. Streaming UO and script on UO, easy. Minus all those bugs that we ran into the other day. Okay, let me rephrase. Mostly easy. Yesterday, not so easy. Yesterday was miserable. Not yesterday, just last night. The stream last night was so rough. Why is it not loading yet? What's going on? I gotta go check the console and see what's going on. Hibbity. It says it's pending. The deploy is in progress. Okay, that's good. This should be good. Let me do fly secrets real quick. I know I'm pretty sure I just have to do like CTL commands to add these secrets, but let me confirm. Add secret to fly. Yeah. Run the fly secrets, set your secret and then set the value. Use the app flag to specify the application name. Use the config to set the configuration path. Okay, cool. And then a fly secret set triggers a new deployment. Okay, good to know. I will set those secrets later. This page is not working. Did we break it? Is my website down? Down! Website's down. There we go. I had to do the old Control-Shift-R, to refresh the cache. Little Control-Shift-R action there. But anyway, if you could check out the schedule and just see, does it show the right time zone? Like, because my time zone right now, is I'm 8:51. So it's showing me CST, which is, It's showing you guys' time zone. Great. Awesome. Thank you guys. Okay, cool. And then like a potential enhancement is to know like when is the next stream, like a countdown to like when the next stream is in your time zone, That way you can just click the schedule and it could be like, you know, I'll be live in 6 hours from now or whatever. So that will be something we can definitely add in there. The live now button is not working. Yeah, I need to add in the secrets to that. So let's do that real quick before the stream's over. I'm going to go to a different window over here. Zoop. You're going to do YCTL. Un momento, por favoro. Setting a secret. Don't tell anybody. Updating an existing machine name. Jaseowns com with rolling strategy. Let's see. Assuming that one works, then I have 2 secrets. Two secrets I need to set. Once it's done doing this one, I can do the next one. Update successful. Now I'm gonna set this secret. Boom. Okay. Oh man, I'm excited. Where can we point streamers for shared chat? I need to actually work on that website. I haven't touched it in a while, and I'm pretty sure I'm missing out whoever like tries. It's shared.chat is the website. It's this guy right here. And if you try to like log in, it sends a form, but I'm pretty sure I'm missing this form. And I've been so bad about like following up with this. So share.chat is the website though. And I need to, this is what I need to work on during my focus session. That and creating content for like a course. Those are my 2 big things that I'm gonna like use to make money is share chat and course content creation. And begging for money on live stream. You know, like, please help me feed my family. Oh my God, you guys, look, it popped up without me refreshing the page. It popped up because the server, the secrets were available. Oh my gosh, live now. It should pop up for you too if you're on there. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I love it when stuff works. Jaseowns.com. Hey, wait, for the people that are in the different time zone, what does this look like? This is probably wrong, huh? Like this top portion? Like, cause it's not Thursday for you, right, Mad Cow Brain? It's Friday for you. So this is probably wrong. Or is it right though? I mean, it might say for Thursday, but yeah, yours says Friday. Oh, okay. Does it have these 3 at the top? Or it probably pulls in Friday. It probably pulls in this. I mean, it makes sense that it's Friday. It's Friday. It is Friday for you, so it's pulling in anyway. We're gonna. I'm not gonna care about that. We'll maybe address that another time. At least there's a correct schedule in the time zone and a live now button. So this, just so you know, this live now button is gonna go. It's gonna go on here as well because And then again, the point of this stream was to add the time, like add the live now, but then I also want to do a, like a, not a database necessarily, but a cache of like who streamed Ultima Online. And then that way we can have like a list of streamers and then know when they were last live. And then that way we can show who's live right now, like on these websites, right? So not just for me, I'm not trying to just say only me is live. But this was like a proof of concept. Can we get some live now button action? And we sure can. And on that note, we are going to log off for the day. But I will be back tomorrow. Okay. Thank you guys for hanging out. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot. It's stupid as this is a dream of mine. Okay. So like, I know like me saying, hey, I want to like live stream and I want to do this. This honestly, I could see the potential. I could see me doing this. I could do it. I believe in myself. You know what I mean? Like, I just got to put in the time. I got to build the brand. Good job, Jace, tonight. Dan, I appreciate it, man. Okay. Thank you guys again for hanging out. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, Jace, what do you mean? What's your schedule? It's right there. 6 to 9, 11 to 2, 6 to 9. It'd be cool. Tag links to the VODs from the like streams. Yeah. All right, man. Thank you guys. I will be back tomorrow for some UO. Let's find somebody to raid. Appreciate all of you. Let's raid, and I am gonna try to stay in the category, okay? As much as I do want to like raid UO people, I also want to make sure that I'm potentially networking, seeing other people. Let's see here. That guy we raided earlier today, I did check back in his stream because he was making stream elements like enhancement, and it was actually pretty cool. I'm gonna try and learn React. We're gonna see if this guy's what he's doing. Do you speak English? We're gonna hit up logistics. X logistics X. Anyway, thank you guys. Hopefully you have a good one. React you. Anyway, thank you guys. Sorry I took too long trying to find a person, but oh no, dude.
No, you just deleted it.
All right, anyway, if you just say hi to this guy, make his day, and then do what you will for the rest of the evening. Thank you so much. Peace.